Squingy had passed in '09. What really happened between '09 and 2011 to make you actually leave the sound that time there? Because this is only a 2-year span we're talking about here.
Yeah, well, what happened is that I actually had decided between me and my wife and her family that when me turned 40, I was going to, leave the business, so to speak. I wasn't sure what I was going to do, but, I said, well, all right, we reached 40, but I did done put in, call it 15 years of the business already. So, I'll move along, because at the end of the day, you have to think about it that sound system don't have any pension behind it.
Mm-hmm.
So if you just decide you're going to play a sound system, I'm not making it bad or trying to discourage people. You know what I mean? I'm just speaking for myself. You know what I mean? Everybody have their own choice to do what they want to do. You know what I mean? But I knew that I don't want to stay around a sound until I'm old and grey, probably can't even walk.
Mm-hmm.
Then that's when I'm going to try to see how I'm going to survive after that. Because once you reach, selectors have what you call an expiration date. No matter how you want to take it, you have an expiration date where there are younger generations coming. You know what I mean? Eventually, the older you get, you're gonna get slower. You're gonna, you probably don't remember as good as thing. So the younger generation is gonna want to see the younger selectors. It is just natural. You understand? Maybe you if you want to continue, you're gonna be playing for big people, which is in your age group then. But I didn't want for it to reach a stage and then didn't have a foundation for myself. Because like I said, there's no pension to it. You understand? So I had decided at 40, so I actually went over to 41. You know what I mean? And said, boy, I'm going to start my own thing. You know what I mean? So that was the whole thing. No matter how you want to take it, it's just about having ambition. You know what I mean? I want to be in a situation where having my sound now, eventually, it don't have to reach Bass Odyssey status. It's not that I have not achieved if it don't reach Bass Odyssey status. I just want it to be relevant. I just want it to be playing, right? So we have the younger selectors there who are doing them thing now. Make them get them exposure. I want to be able to know, say, all right, I can be at home, and while being at home, I just me watch a trucker drive in or drive out. I ask him on about the dance squad. Because that was now my foundation.
Yeah.
So
you switched thing there. You're basically now Father Keith, but instead of Bass Odyssey, for DJ Mark Movements.
Right.
You understand?
And I thank God that there him still giving me, enough energy and everything to keep up with what's going on same way. So, I still can play a dance and be relevant just the same. You know what I mean? But I still take more of a back seat and allow my younger selectors for them to get the shine now.
Makes sense. Why did you decide to build the song Yellow?
Yellow, yeah. Well, me used to go to a school named Yorkers High School, and it was yellow and black.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So me just say, all right, everybody have come with black, blue, but all kind of different color. Me say, all right, me got to use yellow. You know what I mean? And the thing with yellow is that yellow is bright. So even in the darkest of the night, you can know my color, my sound in the dance, because you're going to see that yellow. Yeah.
Okay, so the song has been built from what, 2011 you actually built the song?
2011, yeah.
2011. And how is it going right now for the song? Because what a lot of people don't know is it takes a good 5-10 years to really grow roots on a song before it really starts to take off right now.
Well, to be honest, so from me start off, it's been nothing but good bookings, everything in terms of good vibes, everything is like I don't remember parking. Well, of course, apart from the scope thing, but
crazy.
I don't remember for the entire year parking a month in terms of weekends.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It's like almost every single weekend I was playing both Friday and Saturday and everything. You know what I mean? Even this year I had, as a matter of fact, I was in a situation where I had bookings that would have brought me right across the island, different parishes this year, last year, you know what I mean? So what the promoters doing is they just basically put it on pause and decide that when things open up back, we'll just continue with the dates. You know what I mean? But trust me, it's been very good. It's very good, and I try to have a proper sound system that delivers good quality sound, music, and everything. And the selectors are good and everything. So it's been rewarding.
Good. In today's market, is it really necessary to have a sound system since there's so many DJs running around and stuff? How is that in Jamaica right now?
Well, the thing is, to me, just going solo is cheating the business in my mind. You know what I mean? I left Bass Odyssey and I decided that I didn't want to be walking around with a console, to be lining in on somebody's sound and they will tell you, say, you can't play this or turn it down this or whatever. So I decided that I want to have my own sound system there. Therefore, I have control of everything. You know what I mean? And that's the reason why I built it. It took a couple millions, well, but at the end of the day, it still feel good to know. So I string up in one dance and I listen and say, yeah, that's the one I play good for it. It's like an achievement. So that's just me. I don't know about anybody else. Everybody have their own choices and own opinions.
Makes sense. What is it? Are you guys looking towards doing some clashes where it's more strictly juggling? How are you actually forming the song right now?
The sound is basically out there as a juggling song, right? Because the reality in Jamaica especially is that it's parties. There's the clashes out here. The clashes out here, you don't have a lot of crowd and it's not feasible because based off of what the artists are charging for dub date, you have to charge a promoter a significant amount of fee in order, for it to really make sense. And if that's for that to work, him is really taking a chance to lose money. You know what I mean? So them don't really do all the clashes out here. But in the same time, I am preparing my sound for anything. You know what I mean? So I'm voicing, just have dubs and everything, who to tell. Somebody I call from a different country, Caribbean country, wherever, and say they want a clash, yeah, we can deal with it because make sure so I put myself in that position. You know what I mean?
Makes sense right there. Listen, especially with all of us being down right now, as soon as this gets lifted, you never know where it's going to go. So you just continue to prepare yourself.
Yeah, listen, that's the thing.
If they wanted to get in contact with you to book the song or whatever, leave some contact information before I get you out of here.
All right. You can contact me on Facebook, DJ Mark Movements, Instagram, DJ_Mark_Movements. Or my number is 876-842-6722. So anybody, whenever things get back to normal, so to speak, feel free. Because the one thing we can guarantee is quality music, quality entertainment.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.